On this episode, Antonio gives my channel a new name.
Y el program Welding Fabricator Man.
Then we put a big ass beam in place. After that, I do some welding. Welcome back to another episode of The Welder's Journey. Today we work with Señor Antonio. Somebody had a little too much fun with this one. We're gonna remove it, straight it, and weld it back on. Ay, Antonio, cállate. Here Antonio tries to give the channel a new name.
Y el program Welding Fabricator Man.
Thanks for the suggestion, Antonio. I'll think about it. Okay, let's get back to work. We need to cut off this beam and put it in the press and try and straighten it the best we can. If you're wondering why this beam is there, well, it's there to protect the door from big rocks. And it did its job very good, because the door is still intact and the beam took all of the impact. Let's take it to the press and see what kind of magic we can do. We sure did a number on it with the press. It fits really good back in its place. See, almost perfect. Let's weld it back on. I'm using my favorite 1718 rod, 1/8 thickness, about 100 amps, give or take. If you want to join me on my welding journey, hit that subscribe button, because there's a lot more repair videos on the way. That's all I do here, repair stuff that people breaks. And here she is, pretty much back in place to keep on protecting that door. dirty welds for a dirty ass bed. That will hold. That's it, we fixed this beam. But hey, don't go yet. Let's see if I can reverse this big ass dump trailer back in the yard. Alright guys, let's take the old yard dog for a spin and bring back that dump trailer in the yard. And it started to rain. Freaking great. I got all my trucking experience actually from the PS4. It's a game called SnowRunner. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.